Your doctor keeps telling you to walk more. Your family keeps saying, just take a daily walk, that's enough. But what if I told you that walking alone is quietly stealing your strength after 60? What if the very thing you trust to keep you healthy is missing the muscles that actually protect your independence? This may sound uncomfortable, but recent research has forced experts to rethink everything we believed about senior fitness. A 2023 University of Missouri study revealed something shocking. Seniors who followed specific chair-based exercises improved their functional strength by 27% more than those who only walked. That means better balance, stronger legs, safer movements, and fewer falls without even standing up. If you're over 60, your biggest enemy isn't aging, it's muscle loss. After 60, your body loses muscle faster every year unless you challenge it correctly. Walking is great for your heart, but it barely activates the muscles that help you rise from a chair, climb stairs, or catch yourself before a fall. That's where these chair exercises change everything. They target the exact muscle groups surgeons and physical therapists focus on when helping seniors recover mobility. Sit tall in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. The first movement looks simple, but it wakes up your entire lower body. Slowly lift one leg until it's straight. Tighten your thigh, hold for 2 seconds, and lower it with control. Then switch sides. This strengthens the quadriceps, the muscles that help you stand up without pushing off your knees. Do this slowly. Speed doesn't build strength, control does. Next, keep sitting tall and rise just a few inches off the chair, then gently sit back down. If you can't lift fully, that's okay. Even a small rise activates your glutes and hips, the muscles that keep you stable while walking. This movement alone can dramatically reduce fall risk when done consistently. Many seniors notice improvement within just 2 weeks. Now place your hands on the armrests or your thighs. Pull your shoulders back and squeeze them together as if you're holding a pencil between them. Hold for 3 seconds, then relax. This strengthens your upper back and improves posture. Better posture means better breathing, less neck pain, and more confidence when you move. For the fourth exercise, sit near the edge of the chair. Lift your heels while keeping your toes on the floor, then lower them slowly. This targets your calves, which play a major role in balance and circulation. Strong calves help prevent ankle weakness and reduce swelling in the lower legs, a common issue after 60. The final exercise uses a resistance band, but if you don't have one, you can still benefit by pushing outward with your hands. Loop the band around your thighs or hold it with both hands. Gently pull against it, keeping tension the entire time. This strengthens the muscles that stabilize your hips and shoulders, helping you stay steady during daily activities. You only need 15 minutes, 3 times per week. No gym, no floor exercises. No fear of falling, just a chair, consistency, and intention. Walking still matters, but it should no longer be your only strategy. These seated movements rebuild the strength that walking ignores. Every repetition is an investment in your independence. Every session is a step away from weakness and toward confidence. You don't need to train like a young athlete. You just need to train smart. Start today, stay consistent, and give your body the strength it deserves to carry you through the years ahead.